When getting started in photography, one of the first questions you'll have is, which camera should I buy? Choosing which camera to buy is not as easy as it sounds. You might think, well, bigger is better, right? But first, you have to figure out what you want to use your camera for. Some of the terms we'll be using in this video, we covered in more detail in our camera parts video. With so many different types of cameras to choose from, it's always best to try to understand the differences. That way, you can make the best decision based on your interests, budget, and how you plan to use the camera. In this video, we're going to talk about compact cameras. Compact cameras are basic cameras with all the necessary image capturing elements located inside the body, so the lens is not detachable or interchangeable. Usually, they don't feature a viewfinder, using instead a screen that shows the frame or image. The focal length and zoom have a maximum defined value. Sometimes it's easy to be seduced by cameras offering 20 megapixels or more over ones that have less. However, don't forget that when choosing, you must consider the size of the sensor, because the larger the sensor, the better the photo quality. Compact cameras are much higher and in some cases cheaper than SLR cameras. The manual functions that allow you to control values such as aperture, ISO sensitivity, and shutter speed are not common in these types, since smaller cameras try to do everything automatically. More advanced compact cameras will allow you to control these settings. However, the price of the camera will increase considerably. Most compact cameras are designed for family photos, holidays and parties, or just everyday use. Many of them are resistant to water and dust, and can even withstand being dropped. Finally, it's now common to find these cameras featuring Wi-Fi connectivity. You can easily upload your photos to social media or download them to your cell phone using an application. Compact cameras are great if you're taking a trip and don't want to carry something big and bulky. They're also good for when the circumstances might be a risk to your equipment, like taking photos by the sea or in the snow. But if you want to have the most control over the pictures you take, then it's best to consider an SLR or mirrorless camera.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.